Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Info. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix current scratch discs or full error in Adobe Photoshop or any other Adobe apps. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me just show you quickly that if I open Photoshop, you can see that this window pops up and shows that the scratch discs are full error and doesn't open the app. So this error is basically because you don't have enough free space on your drive. To fix this, first open up your File Explorer and you can see that in my C drive, there is only 5 gigs of free space. So I'll delete some files quickly. You can see that now I have over 11 gigs of free space. Now, let's open Photoshop and see if it opens without any errors. Voila! It did! Please note that this fix is applicable for all the Adobe softwares and all other softwares which shows this error. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Tech Info as we upload tech videos regularly.